Hello everyone, my name is Ivan and I'm just going to give you here a quick overview on the short-term rentals and the logs that you can see up here. Okay, so when we're here, you can see I'm in here in activity. This is my workspace I'm assigned to. You can see all the contacts that I have here: Serena, me, Kristen, Lila, Kelsey, and Anthony. You can see all of the activity that's been going on here. You can mention someone that, for example, hey Ivan, can you update this log? Hey Ivan, can you upload this log? If you missed out or assigned tasks, for example, you can just mention there. As you can see, use that to mention individuals. This is all that's been going on in this workspace. So as you can see, Sabrina just created a new log on Pool House on Mono. I updated a log here. I just edited things there. So yeah, you can see that this is all the activity that's been going on in this workspace in short-term rentals. So let's go to cleaning log. So now we're on cleaning log, and as you can see on the left side, you can see all the units like in a more general way. I have it this way. This is gonna be like the tags. This is, for example, Mono, Cozy, Midmod, Magnolia, and Pool House. Below you can see the cleaners, Sabrina, Lila, everything. You can see all the information on the left side if you want to look it up for in a more specific way. These are all the cleaning logs that are being uploaded. To create a new cleaning log, you just click here on Add Cleaning Log, and you gotta fill out all of these that have the red thing. You just gotta fill out anything there. Okay, for example, it was on Midmod. Okay, so check it out. It was me. Let's say it was okay tomorrow. Cleaner was Sabrina. Nothing was broken. All good here. All the ones that have this red thing here, you just gotta type anything. Like for example, okay, nothing needs special attention. Ready for next guest. And yeah, that's how you upload a file. If something's happening, like something happens when you're cleaning, for example, you just got to fill out any square here. Okay, nothing's broken, nothing's missing, everything's good. Let's say everything was good. You just gotta, the ones that are in green, you just fill them out. But if something's wrong with the unit, you just gotta check on the red stuff. And you can also upload files, like for example, a video or just a picture of what happened in this unit. That would be pretty helpful, and that makes us like easier to see what happened there. So that's how you upload a file. And here on incident log, it's going to be me uploading incidents of anything that's been going on in the units. As you can see, there's not much here, but sometimes things happen. So that's how we keep track on them. And to upload an incident, like I said, you just click here on Add Incident. You just fill out anything that has this red thing here. Say it was something broken. Just today, 16. Okay, let's just do it like that. Okay, who's in charge? Let's say Kelsey. The priority is, you just gotta, it's your judgment. Say it was a medium, it occurred, stay, in which unit. You gotta fill out, like I said, every single that has this red thing here. The guest name, it's me. And that's how you upload cleaning log, incident log, sorry. You just gotta click here and save incident. And that's how you upload an incident log.